This short video is focused on making good-looking sign content quickly and easily through PowerPoint. Start with the message you want on the sign, delete the subtitle box, put an image onto the slideshow. You can also use built-in designs in PowerPoint instead of adding an image to the slide. Usually when you first add an image, it is added to the top layer and needs to be sent to the back layer. The first key to having good content is to pick a good font. Your font should be thick, professional, and good looking. The thicker the text, the more readable it is going to be from a distance. A lot of these fonts are downloaded to this computer already. You'll have some good-looking thick fonts by default as well on your PC. I am just resizing and centering the box. Align text puts the text in the center of the text box. Then I line up the text box using the snapping lines that are default in PowerPoint. Now that I align the text, I will do the next important step. Give the text a nice outline and fill color. PowerPoint makes it easy in the Format tab. With the text selected, I can use the default style and change it to my liking. The important thing here is to have a thick outline with a light colored font fill color. These two things will increase readability dramatically and just generally make the slide look better. We need to export the slide now. Go to File, Export, Export as PNG. Remember where you save this image so that you can find it in Plex later. This is a fairly basic slide, but it looks much better than just trying to put text on a slide in Plex, or without touching up the font in PowerPoint. Doing it this way also lets you use one style as a template and make a bunch of slides that all look like they were meant to be played together. And with transition effects in Plex, you can even create the illusion that it is simple animated content. Let's hop into Plex and put some slides onto a solution. I'm using the default size in Plex. You can see that the image has been distorted to match the resolution of the Plex solution. The solution size is independent of the screen size itself. Make sure you match the resolution of your solution to the resolution of the sign. If it's wrong, it will still publish, but will occasionally make the sign hang on a single slide. This resolution can stretch or contract your message, ruining the look of it. Let's change the size in PowerPoint and Plex to match the resolution of the average sign. Most of our signs are 1:2 or 1:3 in height to width ratio. In PowerPoint, we go to the Design tab, then click Slide Size, then give it a 1:2 ratio or something more fitting to the resolution ratio of your sign. Plex is reading a stored copy of the content I created. It isn't auto-refreshing the overwritten file like you'd expect. After closing and reopening the solution, it breaks because the backup copy was a temporary file, and it was deleted when the solution window was closed. Now we're left with a slide that has broken content in it that can no longer be found on the computer. This is bad and will prevent the publishing to the sign. Delete the image or the slide and add the content back onto the slide, or you can repath to it in the Widget Properties section of Plex. Do not use network locations for your solutions. That will make this more common. You'll run into this problem a lot if you use network locations to store your images.